Here's a new place in town that serves good food, affordable pag yun, and on top of that, lami pag yun kayo ang shakes nila diri guys. This is Wild Shake. Hello again guys, so for today's episode, uban ako ninyo as I check out Wild Shakes. This one is located at DDIS compound sa Lapu-Lapu Street, and it shares the same compound as Penong. So mo ng Penongs guys, that's Lapu-Lapu Street, and naa diri si Wild Shake. By the way guys, gikan dining Wild Shake sa Gensa, and this is their first branch at Davao City. And tara, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the place. Quite small lang siya guys, pero pag abri pa lang nimo maka-wow na jud kaya ang interior, and this mural is really giving you guys. Ang masulti gyud na ho guys, wow gyud kay ilang lugar. This is their menu guys. Feel free to pause it na lang to check out all their food and drinks offering. They have rice meals, pika-pika, burger and fries, and naapod sila shakes and coffee. And as a certified clingy, I'm here again with my friends Mosang and KPC, and together amuang ipang try ang mga food offering. O syempre ang drinks dere sa Wild Shake. So tara na guys sa exciting part, ang pangtilawan ang tanan na mong gi-order. Starting with the creamy spinach dip pizza for 220 pesos. What I like about this pizza guys is thin crust manggod siya, which is what I really prefer basta pizza. And on top of that is daghan pa jud kayog cheese. Pasado kay ni para sa ako guys. And not bad gyud ang price. Next on the list is their creamy carbonara for 140 pesos. It wasn't the best but it was tastier compared to the other carbonaras I have tried thus far. Next na pud na akong gi-try is the beef quesadilla for 150 pesos. Pag try sa ako ang husband, ganahan siya guys at first, pero eventually na feel niya na murag naikula. And when I tried it guys, I agree with him na lang siya gamay kula. Wala lang yun na distribute evenly ang beef. So maod lang to, pero okay yun siya for the price guys. Up next is the nachos overload for 200 pesos. And for this price guys, winner na kaya siya because daghan na ang servings, and at the same time, typical nachos with fries na snack. Which is perfect na pika-pika na sharing with friends. Barato na siya for 200 pesos. Next na po na mong try is the buffalo wings with fries for 230 pesos. Ang lasa sa buffalo wings was okay. I was expecting it to be halang, pero dili siya halang for me guys. But very flavorful siya, and bagay kayo sa fries na sour cream. Kanina guys, ang pinakadaog yun sa ako guys, ang ilahang lasagna for 230 pesos. Dili mi mo to guys, na 230 pesos lang ni, kay dako na ang servings. Unya, lami jud kayo ang lasagna, as in lamian kayo mi guys. Syempre, dili na to tilawan ang ilahang shakes guys, diba? Kay Wild Shakes ba, ilahang pangalan. I tried one of their best sellers, ang cookies and cream, and it was giving you guys, lami jud kayo siya. And maski dugay na muna tagad ang amo ang shakes guys, dugay jud kayo siya na tunaw, which was very amazing. I also tried their avo mango combo, and it was also good you guys. Wala ko na-expect na lami de halo ang mango and ang avocado together. Overall rating na puta guys, I really like the place na ay parking space, and on top of that, affordable jud kayo ang ilahang food and ang ilahang shake. Budget friendly kayo, especially for the students and para sa mga katong nagatipid. I give this place an 8 out of 10 na rating. This place is a must visit indeed. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye-bye!